Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to style a coffee table using simple things that I had around this home. Okay, if you want to see how I do so, stay tuned. So here we go, guys. I am just showing you. This is quick and easy. I have a tray. I already had that on hand. If you want to know where I got the tray from, I got it from the Home Goods. And then that vase, I got that vase, I think, from, what you may call it? Joann's Michael's. So all I did, I put that vase inside of the tray, and I have these flowers. I went around in my stash and find some stuff. So I'm just trying to put together. So this is an easy way to find things around your home. Sometimes we don't think we have things, but we do. So I'm just using a piece of that floral foam right there, sticking in the bottom. I got it from the Dollar Tree. Found it in my stash too. I always buy stuff, never use them. But now is the time to use them. So here I'm going. I'm just stuck in these hydrangea plants inside of that vase. And if you would like to know where I get these plants, all my artificial plants, I like to get them from Hobby Lobby or Joann's Fabric. They have really good selection. You can check Michael's too, but I like Hobby Lobby and Joann's Fabric floral arrangement better. So all I'm doing there, I'm just fluffing and buffing and all of that. And here we are. I'm just going to get 2 candle holders. I stick these candles in it and I just put them to the side. And I put a little clock right there. That's all I'm doing. And I'm just going to mess around with them, move them side to side to see where everything looks good. And if you want to see how I make this table, stick around. My next tutorial will be on how I build this table. So if you enjoy watching this simple and quick tutorial, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Click that notification bell. Also type me a comment in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. Okay, go ahead and follow me over on social media. All of that will be in the description box below. So now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.